Hello dear student, today in GK we will study our solar system, family of the sun. Our solar system has 8 planets which orbit to sun, a star of our solar system. Yes guys, sun is a star of our solar system, and in our solar system there are 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Increasing distance order from the sun, Mercury is the closest to sun and Neptune is the farthest to sun. Now one by one, Mercury first. Mercury is the closest planet to sun at just 58 million kilometers. It is the smallest planet in our solar system. It is a rocky planet. It has no moon. Temperature on Mercury is minus 173 to 427 degrees centigrade. Venus. Venus is the second closest planet to our sun at 108 million kilometers. It is called Earth's sister planet. It is the hottest planet. Here's temperature is 462 degrees centigrade. It has no moon. Venus is also known as morning star or evening star. Earth. Earth is our home. Only this planet supports life. It is third planet from sun. It is having 150 million kilometer distance from sun. 70% of Earth's surface is covered in oceans. Its atmosphere is 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and 1% other gases. Its average surface temperature is 14 degrees centigrade. Earth has one moon. Earth takes 24 hours to revolve around its axis. It takes 365.25 days to complete one revolution around the sun. Yes guys, Earth takes 365.25 days to complete one revolution around the sun. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun at a distance of about 228 million kilometers. It is also known as the red planet due to having iron oxide on its surface. Its average surface temperature is minus 55 degrees centigrade. It has two small moons, Phobos and Deimos. It has atmosphere of carbon dioxide CO2, nitrogen N2 and argon Ar. Now Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun at a distance of about 778 million kilometers. It is the most massive planet in our solar system. It is 317 times the mass of Earth. It is the largest planet. It is 2.5 times larger than all the other planets combined. It is a gas giant of hydrogen and helium. Here wind speeds of 360 to 620 km per hour. Jupiter has 67 known moons with an additional 17 moons awaiting confirmation of their discovery. Temperature of Jupiter is minus 148 degrees centigrade. Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun at a distance of about 1.4 billion kilometers. Temperature minus 178 degrees centigrade. Its atmosphere is made up mostly of hydrogen and helium. Saturn has 53 known moons with an additional 9 moons awaiting confirmation. It can be easily recognized for its spectacular ring system, which is made of 7 rings with several gaps and divisions between them. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun at a distance of about 2.9 billion kilometers. Though it is gas giant. Yes, though Uranus is a gas giant, it is referred to as an ice giant in the ice form of ammonia, NH3, methane, CH4, water, H2O and hydrocarbons. Its bluish appearance is due to methane, CH4. It is the coldest planet in our solar system. Temperature of Uranus is minus 216 degrees centigrade. It has 27 moons. Here, its moons experience 42-year periods of day and night. Neptune. Neptune is the eighth and farthest planet from the Sun at a distance of about 4.5 billion kilometers. It has 13 confirmed moons and one more awaiting official confirmation. It has 6 rings. Temperature of Neptune is minus 214 degrees centigrade. Its atmosphere is made up of hydrogen and methane. Size of planets: largest to smallest according to diameter. Heading: name, size in diameter in kilometer. Jupiter: 1,42,800 kilometer in diameter. Saturn: 1,20,660 kilometer in diameter. Uranus: 51,118 kilometer in diameter. Neptune: 49,528 kilometer in diameter. Earth: 12,756 kilometer in diameter. Venus: 12,104 kilometer in diameter. Mars: 6,787 kilometer in diameter. And Mercury: 4,879.4 kilometer in diameter. Guys, you can see Jupiter is the largest planet and Mercury is the smallest planet according to area, size in diameter. Now Pluto. Pluto is recently discovered planet in 1930 by Clyde Tombaugh. It is known as dwarf planet that lies in the Kuiper belt, an area full of icy bodies. It is very small, only about half the width of United States. Pluto is orbited by 5 known moons: Charon, Hydra, Nix, Kerberos, Styx. Charon is the largest among 5 moons of Pluto. Charon is about half the size of Pluto. Surface area of Pluto is 1.779 into 10 power 7 kilometer square. If we compare the area of Pluto with Earth, then its area is 0.035 Earth's area. Okay guys, take care. Thank you so much.